Hello, this is Hiroshi Hayashi, Hamama City, Japan, October the 7th, 2013. Today, in this video, I'd like to explain about the fact that the ruler of this planet Earth is not us humans, but aliens whom you may call gods. Taking an example of Pavlof Volcano and Verneukpan and Katsuragi lines in Jordan, I like to prove that the fact. And in this video, I just like to show you the fact, and it's a matter of you, simply a matter of you, how you think about this fact. Anyway, this is a Verneukpan in South Africa, and I measure the angles very precisely in this video because these angles are very important in this story. So I measure the angle between this triangle, giant triangle, very precisely. Yes, in this video I have measured the angles very precisely, which is very important for today's story. Now I have gotten angles, and between them 29.32 degrees. And here, Katsuragi lines in Jordan. This is the same, nearly the same. I'm sorry, it's a very similar triangle in Jordan. Katsuragi lines, because Mr. Katsuragi son found these lines on the Google Earth, and also I measured the angles between them very, very precisely, and I got the angles to like these, and between them to 29.66. Okay. Then I make sure that these triangles are drawn by aliens, not by humans, because I will show you more fact. Okay, this is a Verneukpan, big triangle in Verneukpan, and another big triangle in Katsuragi lines. Now the angles between them is 29.32 and 29.66. You may think this is just a coincidence, but the angle is the same. Okay, within an error. And more surprisingly, the latitude of the two triangles are, just have a look at this, right? 29 degrees and 59 minutes. And so 30 degrees and 19 minutes. That means latitude of Verneukpan is 30 degrees south, and longitude is like this, and green number shows a sort of a latitude difference from Teotihuacan. The angle is 29.32. Okay, that means Verneukpan locate 30 degrees south, and Katsuragi line 30 degrees north in latitude. And green degree numbers shows a difference between the longitude between Teotihuacan and the Katsuragi lines, 135 degrees from Teotihuacan. That means 90 plus 45, and the angle is like the 29.3666. Do you think this is also a coincidence? Okay, you may think so. I'll show you. I will give you more fact, surprising fact. Okay, then you may ask me what these two triangles mean. Okay, of course, this is a sort of road sign to show a direction to a very important place on the Earth. I show you here what these are. Okay, these are two triangles, Verneukpan and Katsuragi lines. And I measured angles. Show the angle again here. I measured these angles very precisely, as much as possible. And I calculate the angle, head angle, toward these two triangles showed. And this is Verneukpan and Katsuragi lines here in Jordan. And I draw line up to 5.81 and 9.89 to the north. Okay, have a look at these two lines. These two lines come together up here. Here I found a volcano every time I found volcanoes in such and such places, and this is it in Alaska, USA. This is Pavlov Volcano. Pavlov Volcano, yes. The biggest and most, yeah, this is it. Seeing is believing. This is Pavlov Volcano. Pavlov or Pavlov Volcano, anyway. Now, ladies and gentlemen, to examine this volcano is very important for aliens. It's very easy to draw a line to Nazca. This is the Hiroshi Hayashi Nazca theory. So I draw a line toward Nazca. In Nazca, you can find a very beautiful, the longest line, and here. The yellow line comes from Pavlov Volcano, and you can find a white line in Nazca. The length is about 10 kilometers and width is about 20 to 40 meters in width. Okay, this is the line. Again, I show it. Now, in this time, 4 times I show it. This is the 3rd time. Okay, and again, I'll show you another again. Okay, this is the line comes from Pavlov Volcano. And the line goes straight on the line like this. This indicates that this white line shows a direction to Pavlov Volcano, Alaska, and it's just run near Teotihuacan, Mexico now. The line between Pavlov Volcano and Nazca just run beside Teotihuacan. I have shown you only fact. Then what else can I say? It's simply a matter of you how you think about this fact or how you judge these facts. But I can say that the ruler of this earth is not humans but aliens whom you may call gods. This is only one of the examples I have shown you tens of times. Thank you very much for watching and see you next time. Bye. Thank you very much.